Say it again, say it again.
Hello, and thank you for watching my first YouTube video. My name is Osaru. In today's look, I will be doing my go-to makeup. I'm gonna go in with my NARS Radiant Foundation in the color Macao. I'm gonna go ahead and dot that all over my face.
Again, say it again. You want my forgiveness, so say it again.
I'm gonna blend out my foundation with my It's Cosmetic blending brush. The only downfall about this brush is it's very small, and I wish it had a bigger head so we can get the job done faster. Next, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Amande. And I'm just gonna go ahead and place that all over the high points of my face, under my eyes, bridge of my nose, a little bit of my forehead. So I'm gonna go in and blend that in with a beauty sponge. I'm gonna blend all the way to where my eye ends because I'm trying to narrow my face.
I'm not gonna worry, no, I'm not even sorry. You're gonna be the lonely one. Say it again, say it again.
Going in with my Beauty Bakery flour powder, I'm gonna go in and set everywhere I just added concealer.
Only you can do that. My heart was open wide. I could feel it breaking deep inside.
I'm bronzing my face with the Queen's Collection in the color Ebony. Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Ebony. I'm gonna go ahead and outline the natural shape of my eyebrows and fill it in.
It's too late. You roll the dice, and now you have to pay the price. Oh, I'm in a better place now.
And with a little bit of the Amande, I'm gonna clean under my eyes. I'm using the Morphe Stunning Vibes palette to create my eye look today. I'm gonna go in with this caramel color right here, and I'm gonna place that all over my eyelid. And I'm just gonna blend and keep adding more product until I am satisfied with the final look. With the color right next to the caramel color, and I'm gonna go ahead and pack that all over my lid.
Say it again, say it again.
I tight line my eyes to get them ready for the lashes, so just in case I make any mistakes with my lash, the eyeliner can kind of hide all the mistakes. I'm using my Stila eyeliner in the color Nude. It's this soft pink color, but it comes off really white on camera. Going back in with the Stunning Vibes, I'm going to mix the two orange colors next to each other right here. And I'm going to smoke the bottom of my lash line.
You just can't go back and make it right, 'cause it's too late. Your time is up.
I'm gonna plop in this Beauty Supply eyelashes. I actually added two lashes together. I was going for dramatic eye since everything else on my face is so muted.
You have to pay the price. Yeah. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry. No, I'm not even sorry. You're gonna be the lonely one.
Now going in with this two lip combo, I will be using ColourPop Limbo and Kat Von D Bow and Arrow. I'm outlining my lips using the Limbo from ColourPop.
Say it again, say it again. You're saying you feel bad, so say it again.
Now I'm gonna add in the Bow and Arrow in the center of my lips. And kind of mix the two colors by pressing my lips together. Using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, I am going to dust off any excess powder or fallout on my face. and I'm just gonna further set my whole makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using the Morphe Continuous Mist Spray. Now I'm gonna pop in my Stila Heavenly Hue highlighter in the color Magnificent. I'm gonna highlight the high points of my face, my cheekbone, a little bit of my brow, the bridge of my nose, and a bit of my chin. And this is the final look. Thank you so much. I can't wait to see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be blessed.